Yo, have you seen a baddie today? Who is
Me,
bad?
right? I'm making spaghetti, pasta, and fish. So
you said you had a present for me for my birthday and I got nothing. You deceived me. She's watching Peps and she's still rinsing the Peps. I don't know how long it take her to watch Peps. The Peps was in the freezer by the way. The camera is just crazy. I'm like, this is low budget. She just want fish and she said, "Oh my god!"
yeah,
And she did the real.
if I make
She's gaslighting you. There was only one fish. There was one fish. She's like, yo, rank this shit. How many people like Croaker?
So many people. Croaker is a very superior fish. Can't believe you don't like it. You're just taking it.
You can see the 8 for me in her eyes. Alternative music that sounds different. Listen to JPEG Mafia if you want alternative rap, alternative pop. You can listen to, if you want alternative folk, you can listen to Cyril, I think it's Cyril. Yep. Then, I think I got my Rex. You can listen to that EP Flush, really good. They're like 3 good tracks on it. Last one is kind of made, but like, let me talk on it. So, you can listen to Banty, you can listen to, I don't know, like they're putting me on the spot, so I can't think of anything right now. So, there's one Cyril album about dogs, something dogs. I don't know, that one's really good too. You can listen to Dead Grips. I've not heard them before. I don't start today, so like you can relate on that. You can listen to Samurai by Lupe Fiasco, really good album. Rap, alternative pop. God damn. You can listen to Rachel Chino Riri, her last album. That was alternative. Chinyere, cool. Chino Riri. She's I don't know, she's from Namibia or something. She's first African than the UK. That's album really good. So you can listen to the EP first, something the degree. I remember the name. I said F2K in the beginning. Listen to Perverts. If you like horror movies, listen to Perverts. Amazing, it's an experience. It's not an album, it's an experience. I'm not joking. Amazing. 1 hour, 12 minutes. There's one track that's like 12, 15 minutes. It's 10 or some shit like that. Listen to Preacher's Daughter. Don't listen to Inbred. I think Inbred is mid. I think. I'm not sure again.
Good recommendations for people that have not tried Nigerian dishes before.
You can try pineapple with mustard and cheese.
Guys, be serious.
There's jelly chicken.
Top actual Nigerian dishes for people that have not tried it.
Edikanikon. Elba. Try Elba. Try see, I don't like food. Like it's not obvious in my body. I don't like food. So I can't give food work, sadly enough. There are a lot of meat foods out there. Like we should actually be talking about meat foods, not top tier foods.
Alright. Talk about meat food then.
Ewedu is fucking ass.
I agree. I do not.
Lafu is ass. That's white Amalites. Terrible. It was this goat mixed thing. I don't know what it's called. Yeah, fucking incredible. Yes, Incredibles. Incredibles. It was very nice. I'm going to
Who put you on?
My sister.
She's good. She knows good.
Yeah, because Incredibles is like goat meat. It's how you cooked. I don't think you realized you did that.
I did not realize I did that. You're not naturally funny.
Black, you should be saying you watch all our videos. Yeah, ask me for snap if you're actually funny.
I am
Black.
funny.
No.
I am funny. What is it like that?
I've never had it in my food.
Fine.
Because it's meat.
No,
Smells
it's not.
meat.
It's
Ask
very
me.
bit.
Oh brother! Oh brother! I didn't tell you I didn't like that.
Yes, you did. This onion powder.
What is it?
Onion
And
powder.
garlic. I saw it. How you do it black? Yo, she's friends, bag. I didn't even know this was a thing.
Yay!
This is the pepper she added into this thing.
You said you like pepper.
Yeah, but like I didn't know you would add like a criminal amount.
Yeah, you're bad boy. One thing you can cook confidently.
I'll make you some sweet delicious cocoa powder to help. I can make eba. I can make rice. Confidently rice.
What kind of rice?
What kind of rice? Yeah,
There are different rice dishes. So
please
what
rice. Don't disgrace me. Rice. I can make rice. I can make yam.
What kind of yam?
What the fuck does that mean?
You genuinely like my video.
Your videos, yeah, no. I watch your videos.
Not watch and like you enjoy my video.
Sure, no.
You're just a terrible person.
I do
You
now.
like it.
You made me laugh.
Oh yeah, be honest.
I do like your videos.
If you don't know me, you enjoy my content.
See, yeah, the thing is I don't watch fashion videos. You know the kind of person I am. If it's not wisdom care, I don't watch it.
It's time to try the meal. Try the meal and let me know.
Moment of truth, guys. The drink is drinking.
Obviously,
But
it's
it's
a
the
drink.
fooding. Let's start with that. If it's made, I'll say it's made on cam. And she can't cook shit. First, why is this bag long? Please, why do you not break this bag?
I like long spaghetti, and majority of people on this earth. Majority of people on this earth like long spaghetti.
First.
Spicy.
Actually, no. I mean, like, it's spicy, but like, no.
Okay, you're
not
wrong.
yet.
That's why I asked for speaking.
This bag. Wait.
Is that nice? Guys, it's so nice.
Spag is nice. Spag is cool. I don't like the fact that it's long. I don't like long food. Spag, out of 10. Give me 8. 8. Why? Because nothing is perfect. There's no 10 in this life. The fish, I don't like this fish. What's it called again? I don't like coca. So the fish, 7. I like it fried. Really good. The flavors and things there, it's really good. Now please go away. I want to taste my food. Thank you. I've already said go away. Please don't taste my food.
Bye.